Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add daily Calm reflection on the Calm application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the third option. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on notifications in the middle. Then scroll down and tap on daily Calm reflection. Then you should select when you would like to check in to reflect on your daily Calm to strengthen your mindfulness practice. So select the time and click on the set time button. Then select those days when you would like it to be repeated. Tap on get reminders and click on save settings down below to save the settings. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.